Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to a transformative journey towards optimized connectivity with the dynamic AM Tunnel Pro VPN. Wave goodbye to sluggish internet speeds as we embark on a quest for seamless and efficient browsing. Let's delve into this detailed tutorial to unlock the full potential of your online interactions. Tutorial steps. Step 1: Effortless installation process. Embark on your digital voyage by accessing the Google Play Store and locating the AM Tunnel Pro VPN. Download and install the app to initiate your exploration of enhanced connectivity possibilities. Step 2: Menu navigation for customization. Upon installation, dive into the app and seamlessly navigate to the menu section. Discover a myriad of customization options that are designed to tailor your browsing experience to perfection. Step 3: Stay ahead with app updates. Stay at the forefront of technological advancements by proactively selecting the update option within the menu. This step ensures that you are equipped with the latest features and enhancements, enhancing your browsing journey. Step 4: Global connectivity for enhanced performance. Optimize your online interactions by selecting a global server from the diverse options available. Expand your digital reach and amplify your browsing performance across different regions for a truly seamless experience. Step 5: Initiate secure browsing with a tap. Conclude this empowering process by initiating your secure browsing session with a simple tap on the Start button. Launch into a realm of efficiency and security, knowing that your internet experience is enhanced with AM Tunnel Pro VPN. Conclusion. Congratulations on optimizing your online experience with AM Tunnel Pro VPN. Embrace enhanced speeds, robust security features, and global connectivity as you navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Be sure to explore the various features and settings within the app to personalize your browsing adventure. Remember to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels via the links provided in the description for additional insights and community engagement. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts on this transformative digital journey. Enjoy your expedited and secure online experience to the fullest.